Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm answering the question, can you apply for social security benefits online? And the answer is yes, you can. You can do this through the Social Security Administration's website, SSA. Now, you can apply for retirement benefits online if you're 61 years and 9 months or older. You can't apply for disability benefits entirely online, but you can start the application process online and then complete it over the phone or in person. You can apply for Medicare online, but it's usually automatic when you turn 65. What are the benefits of applying online? Convenience. Applying online can be more convenient than visiting a local SSA office or calling their phone number. Fast application. Faster processing. It's processed faster and you can track the status of your application online. You can also apply online at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What do required information? Personal details such as Social Security number, birth certificate, and citizenship information. You also need to provide information about your work history, including your employment and earning records. You need to provide banking information for direct deposit of your benefits. What's the best course of action? Gather all the required documents. Before starting your online application, carefully review your application for accuracy and completeness before submitting it, and do a follow-up with the SSA to ensure it is being processed correctly. If you're eligible and ready to apply for Social Security benefits, applying online can be a more convenient and efficient option. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.